Hello everyone, welcome to my video where I show you quick, affordable, and easy meals you can make in a college kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make different kinds of oatmeal. The first one will be an apple pie oatmeal, then a peanut butter and banana oatmeal, and lastly a dessert oatmeal, chocolate strawberry oatmeal. For this recipe, you will first need the basics. The basics include oats, milk, and salt. And to make it sweet, you'll need some kind of syrup, honey, sugar, or any kind of sweetener. Then, for the first special version of our oatmeal, we're gonna make apple cinnamon oatmeal. So you're gonna need apple and cinnamon. And for the next one, it's peanut butter banana oatmeal, so peanut butter and bananas. And then the third one is chocolate strawberry oatmeal, so chocolate and strawberries. And you can probably get these from the dining hall if you are in college. Just steal it from the dining hall. First, I will show you how to make the basic oatmeal. For this, you will need a bowl, a spoon, and a measuring cup. This one's half a cup. And then to make it, I'm just following the directions that are on the back of this. It just says for one serving, you need half a cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, and a dash of salt, and then you microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, I'm just going to give it a quick mix and add a dash of salt. Then you just give it a mix and you will microwave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You have to watch it because it will boil over, so you might have to occasionally stop the microwave, stir it, and then put it back in. Now that you've taken your oatmeal out of the microwave, it'll be very hot, so we will take this time and cut the apple. You're gonna cut it into small little squares. Now that we've cut up, Now that we've cut up enough of the apple, I will add this to a bowl along with my cinnamon and some sugar. Now that the apples are covered in cinnamon and sugar, you can add some lemon juice if you have it. It'll just help the apples get more soft when you put them in the microwave to cook. Lemon juice. Now I will put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes until the apples get soft. After 2 minutes, the apples should be nice and soft, and then take them out of the microwave carefully so you don't burn yourself. Okay, I've made that mistake a few times. And then mix it up. Now I will add some maple syrup to my original bowl of oatmeal to make it just a little bit more sweet. I can open it. Ow! And then I'm going to drizzle it on the top, and then I will transfer the apples into my oatmeal. And then you have a very delicious apple pie, apple cinnamon oatmeal. It's so good. After this one, I'll show you how to make peanut butter banana oatmeal. This one starts off the same, half cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, a dash of salt. Now when you take the oatmeal out of the microwave, it will be very hot. So this is when you will add your scoop of peanut butter so that it'll melt into the oatmeal and make it really good. And just stir it in. And while you're waiting for that to cool down a little bit, just cut up your banana. And just add your banana to the oatmeal. The sweeter your banana is, the sweeter your oatmeal will be. And then once this is done, if you want, you can add some kind of nut. These are pecans, I think. And I'm gonna crush it in my hands and add it to my oatmeal. And then you're done with your peanut butter banana oatmeal. And it's also very good. And hot. But good. And then again, for this final version, we start with half a cup of oats, a cup of milk, a dash of salt, mix and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often. Once you take the oatmeal out of the microwave, you will take advantage of the fact that it is hot. Add your chocolate. You can add whatever kind of chocolate you want. Chocolate chips, chocolate kisses. I don't know what else. And then while we're waiting for that to cool down, we will cut up the strawberries. Once the strawberries are cut, put them in the oatmeal. And then you will mix it all together. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked my recipes. And if you want to see more, feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. Bye!